walk here. We're back again. Today we're at a place called Stainburn Forest. It's managed by the Forestry Commission, just outside, a few miles outside Otley. It's a beautiful place, loads of tall pine trees and lovely dense forest, and a lovely place to come and walk. So as you all probably know by now, we promote walking for wellness, getting out, benefiting your well-being, benefiting people's mental health. You really can't beat getting out and to benefit your well-being, getting back to what's natural in life, nature. So we like to come out to these lovely places and do plenty of walking and get some fresh air and exercise. And as I say in the previous videos, it's mental, physical and spiritual. Benefits your mental well-being, your physical well-being, and spiritually. It's very uplifting. So yeah, we've come out here today, and we're going to have a little look around. We're going to go into the forest. So yeah, please do subscribe. Please keep supporting our channel. Just encourages us to get a message out there all the time about what we do. Just simply walking for wellness. So yeah, subscribe please. Support us, likes, shares. Really appreciate it. So off we go. We're going to have a look around.
Hello, good afternoon everybody. My name is, well, you know my name anyway. As I say, it's Amanda the Panda. Why do I get called Amanda the Panda? Well, that's easy. Just look at my hat and Amanda sounds like panda. Well, here we are in Stainburn Forest, which is not that far, I believe, from Otley, but I do stand corrected because me and geography is hopeless. So I'll tell you about that joke. I'm the only person that I know who's that bad with directions. I get lost on my own street. The street's a lot cold and stuff. Anyway, here we are in Stainburn Forest, and it is so beautiful. It really is. It's so incredibly peaceful. There's little streams around. There's loads and loads of trees. There's all different types of conifer trees and Christmas trees. Now I don't know the name for those, but they are lovely. It's just so peaceful. It's so quiet. There's a massive woodland forestry behind me, or should I say at the side, depends which angle I'm sat on. And we're going to have a walk down soon, and hopefully we'll return in one piece. Hopefully there's not going to be any grizzly bears. I want to take this lot of panda chops away. So yeah, we've had lunch. I've had a really nice lunch, and Alex had lunch, and here we are about to embark on our adventure. So come with us and join us on our adventure through Stainburn Forest. Have fun, come and follow. Over and out. Hey up. You're not looking at my tree. You don't look at my tree. You don't look at my tree.
I'm required to look at this tree and admire my wife's tree. There's millions to admire.
No, there is.
No.
Listen, if I was a tree, listen to me.
Oh, if you were a tree, my eardrums would be all right.
If Elliot is a tree, that'd be Elliot as a tree. That's Elliot as a tree. That's Elliot as a tree. And that's me as a tree. Can you see the difference? Love, love, love. All you need is love.
All I need is peace. Peace. So we've come to the part of the show where my wife has a little bit of a sing-song or something, so here we go.
Well, as you can see, there's plenty of trees around here. Hundreds, thousands of trees. But this one, would you agree, is a beautiful species? You know, I love this tree so much, I'm going to serenade it with a song. I know it's not Christmas time. You are so beautiful. Oh, here we go now. You can join us if you want at home. After 3, a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Lucky for you, I don't know the rest of the words. It's a lovely tree though, isn't it? Oh, it's a bit spark. A bit sharp, but it's a beautiful tree. So, mwah, mwah, mwah. You know my love for trees. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'm not going to hug this one. Sorry, don't be upset.
I'm still waiting for somebody to save me.
I'm not going to hug you because you're very spiky and very sharp, but pointed needles. But you are beautiful. It's a beautiful tree, isn't it? You know what? I love this tree. Mwah, 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 mwah. I'm going now. Bye. Bye.
Where are we going now?
We're going to embark on our journey in the magical forestry kingdom, and hopefully we might see some goblins and some elves and some fairies.
away with the fairies. That's
Really?
that's where we're going, in there. So, we've finished the walk at Stainburn Forest. Highly recommend it. Lovely forestry. Really nice place to come. And not too far from Otley, between Otley and Harrogate. It's a lovely place, really nice. And I'd say it's been an hell of a walk. So thanks for joining us again. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, all the rest of it. Appreciate all that. Thank you for all your support. And keep walking for wellness. See ya.